What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to go ahead and get started on this Volkswagen. Well, hopefully, if the camera doesn't overheat, we'll get most of this done. Now, what we're going to do today is clean out basically all of the junk from the Volkswagen EOS. There is a car cover for it, but as you probably can see, it was blown off of the vehicle there. So we're also going to have to come up with a solution, probably a bungee cord or something, where I can hook it under onto the body and do the same in the rear. Now, there is a lot of just garbage and unnecessary stuff in here, and we're going to try to take as much of it out as we can and put it in a trash bag before we get into the next process, which is probably going to be kicking that door out. But let's go ahead and I'm going to set the tripod up and let's get to doing the fun stuff, right? Ugh. Now, guys, before we get started, I always like to initiate a project with a good bottle of beer. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Oh. I'll film a couple minute or two of this, and then we're going to time lapse this shit. Trash to the trash to the trash. Getting out all the trash. Oh. Part that we need. Man, this thing is nasty. Boy, this is nasty. Get your ass on the dashboard, damn it. Little lizard turds everywhere, man. I swear to God, if fucking one of Randy's swamp things jumps on me, I'm done. Ooh, I felt that. Glass in my hand. That's always fun. I don't know if the camera will focus on this, but probably also a good reason you should wear gloves when you do something like this. I got a nice piece of glass right there. I'm going to try to get out. And I got it. I got lucky that time. Get your ass out of here. But it's like I stuck my finger like I was a diabetic. Woohoo! Alright, we got that trash out. Let's get the rest of the stuff out of the back seat. And for that, we're going to go ahead and time lapse this joint for y'all. Alright, so I'm encountering a small problem. I got most of the trash, well, basically all the trash is now cleaned out. As y'all can see in here, there's no like just extra crap in here. The paperwork and stuff is in here, which we'll figure out for the radio. But I gotta get a vacuum and suck up all that glass. Now, one of the issues that I was having was, you know, the top is messed up, and it's partially because of that. If you look right here, this one still has some plastic behind it. So I broke the rest of the plastic free on that, and it actually shot up more and hit the window. So, yeah, that sucks. I'm trying not to break that rear glass. I'm really not. And if any of you guys that are Volkswagen people, I might even reach out to, there was a dude on YouTube, I don't know if he's still doing YouTube or not, Humble Mechanic, I might have to hit him up too, and see if there's a method to putting these down. These are very similar to things that you'd see in like a convertible Lamborghini. They have those posts that go when it gets into a collision where it thinks it's gonna flip, I guess. I don't know, it must have rolled on its side or was up angled enough to make those pop out, and they exploded and shot up. So I already knew I was gonna have to replace the back headrest cover, so I was just breaking those free. I'm not gonna mess with this one though now, because, and I don't know if they have to be fully deployed in order to make them come back down, and I'm gonna have to figure it out, because I don't think the trunk opens either. So I guess we'll see from there. But anywho's, trash. Now we have the car cover to try to protect the car from getting further rain damaged and whatnot. The seat going back was a major pain in the ass. It didn't want to go back, but there we go. The next thing's in line for this car, guys. Now that we got it cleaned up, like I said, we're going to vacuum out all the glass so I don't get any more of those nice little finger pricks. I'm going to get me a pair of gloves to work on this car, probably in the next day or so. If you're seeing this video, more than likely I'm already probably in Texas, and the series will continue when I get back from Texas. But the next thing that we're definitely going to do is we're going to kick that door out. Now, I might tie it to a vehicle, you know, tie a strap to it and just pull it out. More than likely, that's probably what we'll do. But I'm also open to ideas, so if you guys have a good idea on how I can get that door off of this car, let me know. Easiest and laziest way possible, please. I know I am so over my friggin' head with this car, but I'm gonna take the challenge. I'm gonna get it. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna boot it out. We're gonna get a battery. I did come up on a USB-C cable though. Hey, you know, that's what, $10 back what I got in the car so far. And I've cleaned it up. I'm gonna do a follow-up with you guys on how much the content paid. And then, like, if we do something with the car, like sell it once the title comes in, or if it doesn't come in and we send it back to Copart because the title is pending, we'll cover how that process works too. We'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna finish my Stella. I think I've earned this one. That was disgusting. My hands are friggin' gross. Obviously, there was like little lizard turds everywhere in the car. It was disgusting. I still need to physically clean, which I'm debating whether I just pressure wash the inside of this sucker, but then I don't know if the modules are on the floor in this either, which is a pain in the ass. Very similar to the Audi A4. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but I think I'm gonna vacuum it out first, and then maybe if I do anything with it, I'll probably steam clean it, or I'm gonna pay someone to detail it, you know, just get in and clean the interior without the door. Obviously we got to get the door off first, so let's go ahead and do that. But anyways, guys, not an excessively long video. I guess maybe we'll time lapse and we'll put the car cover back on. That ought to be fun. Some Three Stooges type shit's probably gonna happen there. But if you enjoy the video and you like what I do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. There's a lot more content coming from this car. I gotta stop touching my ears and stuff. There's a lot more content coming from this car here in the future. Of course, the seat's gonna be like, I don't want to go back now, right? There we go. We're good. Alright, so wish me luck. I think I'm definitely gonna need it. And I'm gonna need a lot of this too. Anyways, I got myself into this. Let's see if I can get something out of it. Catch you guys on the next one. now we're done. We got the car covered. I still need to run like a bungee cord under this middle piece and run it under the car, which I'll probably do. Same thing here, like poke a hole in the front and clip it to something under the car so that it will actually stay put. But this is how she'll sit till we get back from the YouTuber call out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.